Missing channels on your TalkTalk TV box is a frustrating but common problem. Understanding why this happens and how to fix it can save you time and get your channels back quickly. There are three main reasons why your TalkTalk box might lose channels. First, weak signal strength below the required threshold. Second, problems with your aerial system. And third, changes to broadcast frequencies by TV operators. TalkTalk boxes use UView technology, which combines two different delivery methods. Freeview channels come through your terrestrial aerial, while on-demand content streams over your internet connection. For stable channel reception, your TalkTalk box needs a minimum signal strength of 50 decibels microvolts. This signal meter shows 62 decibels microvolts, which is well above the minimum requirement for good reception. The quickest fix for missing channels is to perform a retune. Start by navigating to Settings, then Signal and Connection, then Channels. Next, select either Retune Channels or Auto-Tune from the menu options. Both will perform the same channel scanning process. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the complete channel scan to finish. Once it's done, restart your box to ensure all channels are properly loaded. This retune process is highly effective. In 2025, 85% of channel loss issues are resolved through proper retuning, making this the best first step for troubleshooting. Remember these three simple steps. Navigate to the Channels menu in Settings, select Retune or Auto-Tune, then wait and restart. This straightforward process will restore your missing channels in most cases. If retuning doesn't solve your channel problems, the next step is checking your signal strength. Navigate to Settings, then Signal and Connection, and select Signal Test. This will display your signal strength and quality measurements. Here's what a typical signal meter looks like, showing power levels and signal quality indicators. For optimal performance, you need signal strength between 50 and 70 dB and signal quality of 25 dB or higher. This example shows good levels with 6.2 dB strength and 26.6 dB quality. If your signal is weak, there are several physical solutions to try. First, check that your aerial is properly aligned toward the nearest TV transmitter. Next, inspect your coaxial cables for damage. Damaged cables with exposed shielding can cause significant signal loss and should be replaced immediately. For weak signals, consider installing a signal amplifier. These boost your signal strength, but should be used carefully as they can also amplify noise if the original signal is too poor. Remove unnecessary signal splitters, as each splitter reduces signal strength. Also ensure your broadband connection is stable with at least 2 Mbps for streaming channels. Some areas are particularly prone to signal problems. Mountainous regions, urban areas with interference, and coastal locations may require professional aerial surveys for persistent issues. Looking ahead, TalkTalk is moving toward IP-only delivery by 2027. This means network stability will become even more critical than traditional aerial signals for reliable channel reception.